तो लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो और वो बेल नोटिफिकेशन है उसको ऑन कर दो ताकि आप भी मेरी तरह ड्राइंग बना पाओ.
Play, okay. Using pencil, making smaller shading details. Oh, she knows how to use pencil to create those shades. Darker outline at same point. Okay, that's a butterfly. Nice details. The flowers look too good, man. Beginner people don't even know how to shade, but she's just using that pencil, side pencil. She's just holding like that. Okay, these are leaves, maybe plant leaves. Too good, man. Great. Play. Fantasy ice road, 3 worlds in 1. Okay, what this guy do? Okay, so using lights and everything. What he made his videos with those miniature cube made sugar, bro. Next level. Someone can use this in their films too, man. It looks too good. Miniature fantasy mountain gateway. Okay, what's that? This looks like it looks completely real. Look at that. Play. Okay, just breaking the glass bottle. Okay, what they're going to do? Maybe ring or something. I don't know. Okay, yes, of course they are going for ring. Okay, softening them. Okay, diamond. It looks like diamond, not original, but it looks too good with this broken. Nice. Okay, again blue glass. Okay, same technique. What type of diamond it will look? Of course with blue, but what design? Okay, same design. No, that's something different. Yeah, necklace. Play. Is that a leg or? She painted her legs like this realistic. Too good. It looks like cactus, by the way. Yeah, it makes play. Okay, they are coloring gas, of course, as for everyone knows that. Okay, they are just painting gas. Okay, using different type of colors to create those shades. Okay, while they are adding so much of colors. Okay, for the designs. Nice. Now it looks good. Great. That design looks too good now. A big thumbs up. Great.